In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing issue on your Facebook account. If you don't find Facebook Marketplace on your Facebook account, there are few things you can try to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing issue on your Facebook app or web. Log into your account. Check the language setting. Make sure that your Facebook app is set to the correct language. If you are not sure what language your app is set to, you can go to settings, tap on the three vertical lines, then go to settings. Under preference, here you will find language and region. You can set your language from here. Sign out and sign in back. This can sometimes fix minor glitches with the Facebook app. To sign out, tap on the three vertical lines, scroll down to the bottom, and you will find sign out. Then sign in again. Hope it will clear. Disable browser extension. If you are using any browser extension for Facebook, disable all the extension. Clear your cache and data. This can help to improve performance of the Facebook app and fix some common problems. Tap and hold the app and go to the app info. Here, go to the storage and cache. You will find all this. Clear the cache and clear the data. You may need to log in after you clear the data. If the problem still exists, go to the Play Store, search for Facebook and update the app. If you are not using the updated version, make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. One more thing you can try, restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor glitches with the Facebook app. If you have tried all the things and you are still having problems, you can contact Facebook support for help. How to contact Facebook support? To contact Facebook support, tap on the three vertical lines and scroll down and you will find help and support. Click here. You can report your problem. Select this. Tap on continue to report a problem. Include in report. Here you will find marketplace. Then describe your issue, that your Facebook marketplace is not showing. Please fix the issue and send your report. If you are still having problems with Facebook Marketplace, it's possible that Facebook Marketplace is down for maintenance or that there is a problem with your account. In that case, you will need to wait for Facebook to fix the issue. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.